Hi guys, welcome back to TutorialsPoint. Today we are going to learn about the type and different type of skeleton system present in the animal world. Now, first of all, let's learn about the type of skeleton system. There are actually two type of skeleton system, which is one which is present outside the body and the one which is present inside the body. The one which is present outside the body is called as the exoskeleton, and the one which is present inside the body is called as the endoskeleton. Now this exoskeleton is actually the strong or a harder covering which is present the outer body part, so that a animal can be well protected from outer environment, maybe by a harmful weather or by its predators. At the same time, endoskeleton is the system or a strong system which is present inside the body. A best example of endoskeleton is the skeleton system present inside the higher animal group. Now, this exoskeleton is present mainly in the arthropods, insects, which have a strong outer covering so that they can protect themselves from their predators, so that their predators cannot eat them simply. Now, endoskeleton system is the system which is made up of bones, associated cartilage and the joints. So, good example of exoskeleton is arthropods, insects, and endoskeleton is human body. Now, let's learn about the division of endoskeleton inside our body. Our system is divided into two parts, the axial system and the appendicular skeletal system. The axial system is actually present in the midline of our body. All the bone, all the structure which is present in the midline is associated with the axial skeleton, and all the bones which are present in the lateral side is called as the appendicular skeleton. As in midline, the part of bone which is present is skull in the center, vertebral column, the sternum and the ribs. All these are present in the midline. That is why they are associated with the axial skeleton. In the appendicular, we mainly connect appendicular with the appendages. Appendages means the limbs. So we can learn it with the appendicular with the appendages. All the appendages are forelimb and the hind limb. The forelimb, the arms and the legs, and with them pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle, the shoulder portion, and pelvic with the thigh and the hip bone. Now, let's see this division. Here you can see this is the appendicular skeleton, that means with the arms and legs. So, with the bones which are present in a brown color is appendicular skeleton, shoulder, the upper limb, the pelvic girdle and the lower limb. All these are appendicular skeleton. And axial, the midline, the brown color bone is the axial skeleton. The skull, the tie-shaped sternum, the thoracic cage, which we can also call this rib cage, and the vertebral column, which is always present in higher group of animal. So in this video we have learned about two types of skeleton system, the exo and the endoskeleton system, and in the endoskeleton system there is a division, the axial one and the appendicular one. Now in the next video we will start learning about each one of them by taking each part. So let's learn.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.